Sound of the wind, I love the sound of the wind as it blows, not knowing really where it comes from or where it goes. Its ear's breath as it sings, lifts the eagle up under its wings. It makes waves in all the seas, gently sways the tree in its leaves, and pushed us from place to place. Sometimes the wind you can even taste. It flows all around, often in a hurry, push so hard our vision gets blurry. Even when it doesn't seem to be at all, a random gust will make the leaves fall. Yes, the wind even blows at night. It does not sleep or stop. Days it's subtle, other days it's not. It can't seem angry, push you around, push so hard it pushes you down. Then it acts as if it's your best friend, cooling you, saving you from the heat often. Whether it yells or screams through the house, or it's quiet as a church mouse. Can help you have a steady pace. Just let it find its way to your heart, and your mind will ascend. Listen close to the sound.